Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a crafty walkthrough of the monthly store report. We'll go by tab by tab explaining what each sheet is designed to show and what type of data contains. Let's begin. Well, first we have table of contents. This tab lists all the sections included in the store report. It serves as an index that helps users easily navigate between the different tabs, such as summary, daily data and segmentation reports. Also, we have important information of the report. For example, this one is for the September 2017 month. Well, the month of September in the year 2017 is in dollars, and the comparative set data excludes subject property. Well, to start, we have the glance section that provides a quick overview of the property's key performance indicators or KPIs. It typically includes data such as occupancy, ADR, and RevPAR. You can also find index numbers that compare the property's performance with its competitive set, like here. This page gives a snapshot of overall resort at a glance, so it's very important. And we also have information about the hotel, like the name, the history, the telephone, management company name, and all of that. Well, in the third one, in the summary tab, contains detailed performance of data for the current month. Here, the year-to-date period and the running 3 and 12 month periods. It includes KPIs like occupancy, ADR, and RevPAR, and compares the subject hotel's performance with its ComSet, market, and track. Actually, here you are: market, market class, submarket scale, and competitive set. It also gives us the supply, the demand, and the revenue, and the pipeline. That this one is for the future hotels that it will be in the area or could be relevant in the market. Well, next we pass to comp. The comp tab shows comparative performance data. It includes side-by-side results for the subject hotel and each member of its competitive set. The KPIs displayed here are occupancy, ADR, and RevPAR, along with the rank that we have and the index numbers to measure relative performance. This one is a really important one because it gives us a show of what is the more important thing in the concepts, like the fluency and the percentage. For example, here in RevPAR percentage is really important. For example, year to date, running 3 months and running 12 months. We also compare the year to year, so it's really important, this part. Well, in the fifth one, we have the response tab. This one tracks how many hotels submitted data for each period within the competitive set or market, shown with both current and historical response percentages. For example, we have the competitive set of this hotel. It's 6 competitors, 7, and all of them give data monthly and daily, as we show here. And we also give those important festivals or important dates of in each year or each month. For example, in this year we have all of these. In the last year we only have 2, and we can see here. And that's it. And in every tab we have this information that I explained in the first one. Well, for day of week, we have this tab breaks down performance by day of the week. It includes KPIs like occupancy, occupancy, ADR, and RevPAR for each day from Sunday through Saturday. This information allows us to identify which days perform best and where opportunities exist. For example, we have all the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, weekday, and weekend, and the total. And obviously, property, percentages, competitive set, index, and all of that. We also have graphics that is, in my opinion, more visual and it's more easy to understand instead of this information of numbers and all of that. So here we are. It's very nice, actually. So here we are. Next one, we have daily by month. The release. This tab presents performance on a daily basis through the month. It includes occupancy, ADR, and RevPAR data for each calendar day, both for subject hotel and its concept. It's used for analyzing day-to-day variations and identifying special event impacts. Actually, we can in this one we can see the transient group, the group, and the contract, and the total of September 2017, the year to date, and that's it. This one is very important because we can also have the percent changes, and in my opinion, is very, how to say it, it's very important to understand this one because as we see in class, we have we have this information because it shows with customer segment contributes most to total performance, and we can also have information from that from a hotel, and we can have more informed decision in this part. I'm sorry for it's a little confusing, but it's hard to explain it. Well, then we have segmentation occupancy, segmentation ADR, and segmentation RevPAR. These ones are basically the same, but for a different KPI, so I'm going to explain it very fast. Well, in this occupancy segmentation, focus specifically on occupancy results by segment. It shows how each type of business in transient, group, contract, and total contributes to total room. Transient, group, contract, it contributes to total rooms nights sold. Here in segmentation ADR, helps analyze rate strategies and pricing differences between any of these. In segmentation RevPAR, we can have the revenue per available room by segment. It combines both rate and occupancy effects to show the total revenue efficiency for each business type. So this one it's for a specific thing, but I think the three are very important. Well, next we have segmentation indexes. This one contains index of values that compare each segment's occupancy, ADR, and RevPAR to the competitive set. And also, index values above 100 indicate the property is outperforming the comp set in the area, so it's a little more easy to understand if we are doing the things right or the things are not very good. Well, next we have segmentation ranking. In this one, the subject hotel among competitors with each segment based on KPIs like occupancy, ADR, and RevPAR. It shows the hotel position, first, second, third, and NAN within the comp set. So this one it can give us the a little bit more clear how we're doing the things. Then we have segmentation DOW, YTD. The segmentation tab presents the same type of data, but for the year-to-date period, basically. Segmentation day of week. I'm very sorry. It allows users to see performance patterns over a longer time frame. So we have a lot of numbers, but it's also really important. And we also have RevPAR, ADR, and occupancy percentage. For transient, group, contract, total, and percent changes, and comp set. This one is a little bit more confusing, but it's also really important. This DODW month, I'm confused. This was for the current month, and this was year to date. In day of week, the current month, combine segmentations and day of the week data for the current month, and this one is year to date. And it's the same here, so only that it's running 3 months, but it's the same data actually. And this one too, segmentation day of week running 12 months. So here we are. It's a little bit more confusing here, but there we have. Next we have the add rev ADR, that is additional revenue ADR analysis, or TREVPOR. It may include detailed rate data or breakdowns of total room revenue by category. we have the room, the food and beverage, and other, and the total TrevPor. This one is actually a lot of information, but we have also percentages, year to date, running 3 months, and running 12 months in each year, 2015, 2016, and 2017. And here we have it. And the ranking, obviously, by my property versus the comp set. And there we are. The total TrevPor, other, FYAP, and ROM. Then we have it for additional revenue RevPAR analysis, that is the TrevPAR. This tab contains additional revenue data related to the RevPAR. Actually, it's a little bit similar to the other one, but this gives us about RevPAR, and this one was for the ADR. So that's the only differences, and the information is really similar. And for last, we have segmentation response. Here we have participation levels for segmentation data. It reports the number of hotels submitting segmentation data and the response rate over time. We also have this one, that is segmentation, additional revenue only, and both segmentation and additional revenue, that it's in this chart. Here we have it. Here. And also give us the highlights of the year and the last year. That is this one and this one, that are really similar from what we see in the previous tab. So here we are. And for the last one, we have help, that provides instructions and definitions for all KPIs and calculations using the report. It serves as a guide for users who need clarification on terms like occupancy, ADR, RevPAR, and indexes. Here we have it. And that's it. And that's a complete walkthrough of the Morningstar report. Each tab serves a specific purpose, whether it's analyzing daily performance, comparing segments, or tracking long-term trends. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. And thank you very much for your patience with my pronunciation. Thank you very much.